In this video, we will cover the installation and wiring of a thermal magnetic circuit breaker. A thermal magnetic circuit breaker is designed to protect against electrical overloads and short circuits. They are available in full-size, tandem, and quad configurations to maximize the number of circuits in a panel. ABB's thermal magnetic circuit breakers are UL tested to work with both ABB Reliahome load centers and GE PowerMark load centers. Before starting, make sure you have the necessary tools shown here. To begin, unscrew the cover and put aside the mounting screws. Use a voltmeter to ensure no voltage is present. Ensure all circuit breaker handles are in the off position. Attach the heel of the circuit breaker to the load center mounting rails and rotate the top part of the circuit breaker to connect with the bus bar. Connect the ground wire to the ground bus bar. Connect the white neutral wire to the neutral bus bar. Insert the black hot wire into the circuit breaker's lug and torque it to spec. For tandem circuit breakers, repeat this step for each lug. For quad circuit breakers, repeat this step for each single pole lug. Then wire 2 pole lugs by connecting one red wire to one lug and one black wire to the other lug. Remove the necessary circuit perforations from the cover, then reinstall it onto the load center. You are now ready to turn on all circuit breakers.